Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix iCloud photos not showing in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start a video. First of all, click on settings, click on Apple ID. Now here click on iCloud. Now here click on photos. Now here you will check your sneak. This iPhone button is turned off, so turn on this button. After the turn on this button, go back. It will be your photos showing in iPhone. If it not showing, so check your iPhone and iCloud storage. So click on settings. Now here click on general. Click on iPhone storage. Now here your iPhone storage is full. Free app sound space. Go back, check your iCloud storage, click on Apple ID. Now here click on iCloud. Your iCloud storage is full. Free app some space. Go back. It will be show your photos in iPhone. If it not showing, so click the power button and volume down button and restart the phone. After the restarting, open the phone. It will be show your photos in iPhone. Hope so you like the video. So that's how can you fix iCloud photos not showing in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.